I'm Jonathan Munby, and I'm standing today in the Richard Burton Theatre at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Collaboration is at the heart of everything we do at the college. If you're an actor working on stage, you're going to be supported by stage managers from the technical course, lighting designers to designers from the design course. And if it's a musical, musicians from the music department as well. It's one amazing family of students working together, living together, experiencing together, and on a journey together. We've got a unique set of facilities here at Royal Welsh, including this beautiful theatre that I'm standing in right now, as well as other auditoria and state-of-the-art teaching rooms. We have some amazing visiting artists coming to work on the programme in terms of directing shows, teaching classes, but also master classes too. An opportunity for students to meet professionals from the industry to really see how they approach their work and to pick up amazing tips. I've always seen drama school training as an extension of the profession, and Royal Welsh is no exception. We're dedicated to excellence and offer a training that is bang up to date, inclusive and embracing of diversity, and one that is connected with the industry. It's important in these times of change to take a good look at the repertoire that we teach and also study here at the college. And I'm dedicated to opening up to look at new writers from different backgrounds, a diverse group of writers right across the board.